Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chips are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
In today's episode, we take you inside one of the most advanced chips manufacturing facilities, where science, speed, and precision turn simple potatoes into your favorite crispy snack. Every journey begins here, with the arrival of fresh, carefully selected potatoes. Each batch is inspected for quality, size, and texture before entering the production line. The potatoes are washed thoroughly in rotating stainless steel drums. High-pressure water removes every trace of dirt, preparing them for perfect peeling. Once cleaned, the potatoes move forward through a series of automated preparation systems. Conveyor belts, sensors, and steam jets ensure each potato is ready for slicing. Next comes the slicing stage. Ultra-sharp industrial blades cut potatoes into thin, uniform slices, the key to achieving that signature crispiness. Inside the control room, technicians monitor digital screens for slice thickness, blade speed, and water purity, ensuring every cut meets factory standards. The freshly sliced chips travel through water channels and pipelines, smoothly moving toward the core of the process, the frying section. Here, in massive industrial fryers, the real transformation happens. As the slices drop into hot oil, they begin turning golden, light, and perfectly crisp. Robotic arms carefully lift and transfer the freshly fried chips to cooling conveyors, ensuring consistency and hygiene with every batch. Every batch is refined and tested for quality. As warm air circulates across the chips, moisture evaporates instantly, locking in that classic crunch. The texture becomes visibly crisp and beautiful. From here, chips enter rotating seasoning drums, where precise amounts of salt, spices, and flavors are sprinkled evenly. Then, at high speed, chips move toward automated packing machines. Every pack is weighed, filled, sealed, and labeled with exact accuracy. Machines check each bag for consistency before it moves forward. In the packaging hall, robots and staff work side by side to manage thousands of packets every minute, ensuring smooth and efficient delivery. Before leaving the factory, each packet goes through strict quality checks, from sealing strength to freshness and weight accuracy. Finished cartons are stacked, scanned, and loaded onto distribution trucks. From here, they begin their journey to stores around the country. A final look at the facility, a place where technology and craftsmanship come together to create the perfect snack.
And that's how chips are made, shreds to made, from start to finish,
Simple ingredients, precision machines, and a lot of care behind every pack. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to subscribe for more factory documentaries.